Right, so we're getting stuck in to this this vinyl floor, and just to show you the difference, obviously that side there we've just stripped, and this side obviously is awaiting stripping and cleaning, so quite a remarkable difference there. And once that's dried and we've done the whole floor, then we will be applying sealer. So we look at this as like a blank canvas, and once that floor is free of contamination and dirt and everything, we're going to seal it, and the sealer will significantly help to protect the floor against spillages, and it's going to be also more hygienic as well, because this floor is used for yoga. So with a seal on there, it will, to a point, guard against ingrained dirt and bacteria and nasty stuff like that. So anyway, enough of my rabbiting. I've got to get on, so and complete this. So let's do a bit more. Hello again, Russ here from ProSteamUK. You may remember me cleaning the floor yesterday in this lovely church, and it took all day, but we took our time, and the results pretty much speak for themselves. Today we have returned to reseal the floor, and we have chosen the Dr. Schutz brand of sealer. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with the brand Dr. Schutz, here it is. There's a clue in the name. Yes, it does sound German because it is German. And with anything German, it's quality. It's just like a German car. People buy Mercedes Benzes not because they're cheap, because they last and they offer superior performance, let's say, to cheaper alternatives. And that's exactly why we've chosen to use the Dr. Schutz brand to strip, clean and seal this church hall. So let's get a couple of coats of Secura hard seal down. We'll return back to this in a bit, and you'll be able to see then how the hard seal has further enhanced the tile. Right, that's it. We've applied 2 applications of the Dr. Schutz matte hard seal to this floor. It's vinyl tiles, and I think you'll agree it looks good. It looks really good compared to how it looked yesterday before we cleaned it. Okay, so this way the main corridor here was in a dreadful condition, absolutely dreadful. It was a completely different colour to how it looks now. Okay, so there you go. The matte hard seal should offer anywhere between 6 to 12 months protection, depending on how the client maintains the cleaning of the floor. So there you go. Looks fantastic.